Want bigger arms, a stronger chest, and a better upper body strength with just one move? Let's talk dips. Dips mainly target your triceps, chest, and shoulders. They're body weight based, making them super effective for building a raw strength and size. No fancy equipment needed. Tips for perfect form. Keep your elbows tucked, not flared. Lower until your arms hit 90 degrees. Lean slightly forward to hit more chest. Stay upright for more triceps. Avoid this. Don't go too low. It puts stress on the shoulders. Add a weighted belt or slow down your tempo. Do dips 2 to 3 times a week, 3 to 4 sets, and watch your upper body transform. Try them and thank me later. Visit TF Clark Fitness Magazine to get more tips on how to reach your fitness goals faster.